Chad Bishop here, co-creator and star of the internet show Jolean Does It. And welcome back to our third From the Vault series. And what we are doing is reintroducing some of our old commercials that we filmed 5 years ago with some bloopers at the end. And the first one we have tonight is Poke on a Boat. We had invented this soda for Jolean to pilfer on this show called Coca-Cola, and this is one, I think this is the second or third commercial that we did for that, where Jolean's on a boat and she's talking about having a poke on a boat. And it just seemed like everything was going wrong with it, and you'll see all the outtakes and the bloopers at the end. And it was just a lot of fun, a little aggravating, but we eventually got it and got it up there. So now we've got it for you to enjoy. So if you like the video, hit like below, leave a comment if you want, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Chad Bishop saying bye for now.
Oh, hi! Jolean Thorton here. Now, there's nothing I enjoy on a beautiful day up at the lake than a nice poke on a boat. Coca-Cola, that is, my new favorite drink. Now, you tried all the other leading brands out there. Now it's time to try a poke. I get sticky just thinking about it. And if you need a poke real bad, go on out and buy one. You can get a good poke real cheap, you know. But you can't get a good poke for free. Lord knows I've tried. And when was the last time you had a good poke anyways? Poke-Cola. I'm game. Are you?
Yeah, yep, that's where you need to be.
Got all that neon cardstock.
Yeah.
Like, that's what we should be using. Oh my God, it's hot.
It is hot. How's that poke?
Cold.
How
sticky.
Really? How cold and sticky is it?
It's so cold and sticky. I'm moist as a snack cake down there.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Is that one of your fans?
Probably. Or one of my baby's daddies.
Are you ready to start filming this?
I am.
All right. You got that boat motor going?
Good thing I powdered. Although it's probably going to get all clumpy. Try poke. Ugh.
What kind of boat was that? We missed it.
I'm sorry. And I just totally forgot my freaking lines.
I like that boat that's going by right now. That's a nice boat.
What?
Look at that fish. What kind of fish you catching today, Jolean?
Catfish.
Black pussy.
What about catfish? Dingbat.
Get away from the gas and don't set me on fire. Poke.
Coca-Cola, that is.
Now you tried all the other leading brands out there. Now you wanna, ooh, it is windy. Wanna try my poke? Get wet just thinking about it. Now, if you need a poke real bad, go on out and buy one. Stop. I'm game. Or are you? That's bad.